And what do you feel now that we're wrapping up the home buying process with you guys? How do you feel that I was able to manage the entire process for you guys differently than maybe somebody else?
Well, so for me, I think that like you provide a sense of professionalism while also being really approachable and relatable. So this whole process, seeing houses, all the documentation has been kind of like just with one of our friends who knows a lot and can help us like guide us. But it makes me feel really comfortable. It's not like, I don't know, like some old lady or some man that like you don't really feel that personal touch. But I feel like for me that's been super important. It's made me feel a lot more at ease, and it's been a more fun process because it should be fun. I think.
Yeah.
So that was awesome. For me.
I think great point, and I do also think your knowledge of the market was one thing that we considered. The other thing was your patience with us. We were brand new to the home buying process. We asked a lot of questions.
We texted him a lot.
Sent him a lot of different houses, and we saw a bunch of houses in the span of maybe a month or two, and we were able to dial it in rather quickly and pull the trigger on one that we really think is a good opportunity for us.
Yeah.